Big news. Windows 11 version 25H2 is finally here. It's real and it's happening now. Yeah, like that's amazing news. Well, we know that because Rufus, the go-to tool for making bootable USB drives, just updated with full support for new ISOs or ISOs, however you prefer to say it. So yeah, 25H2 isn't just a rumor anymore. It's happening, baby. It's happening. What exactly is 25H2? You might be asking. Well, okay, let's clear this up. See, 25H2 isn't some massive redesign. You can think of it like a tune-up or getting an oil change or putting your car through the car wash. It doesn't have that new car smell. No, it's nothing like that. If you're already on 24H2, which most are, if they've been doing those updates, you're basically already running 25H2. How so? Well, you see, this update just flips a switch. It's behind the scenes and says, hey, I'm here. Congratulations. You're on the latest version. Well, is there any massive difference here? Well, there's no new start menu overhaul. It looks the same. Personally, I like the Windows 7 start menu, and when Windows 10 came out, they kind of stayed with that kind of theme, that kind of look. They just maybe prettied it up a little bit more, but there are no wild new features with 25H2, and 24H2 had a different, Windows 11 24H2 had a different menu system, which, to be honest with you, I'm still trying to get used to. I'm not really thrilled about it. I prefer to go Windows 7 style, Windows 10 style, but that's just me, my opinion. Let me know what you think about that for yourself. So there are no wild new features. It's just polish and stability, spit shine, But why does Rufus matter here? Because Rufus just confirmed the ISO's support for 25H2, and that's a big deal, because it means Microsoft is preparing the full install media, not just the updates you get through Windows Update Center. Click Start, click Settings, scroll down, click Windows Updates, and check for Updates button. You know the deal. That's the drill. So if you're looking to do clean installs, or if you're one of those IT guys like me, it means you need proper setup media. This is the green light, and this is where Rufus already has our back. Yeah, we know how Rufus works. It's a great tool. So what are we actually getting? Well, 3 different things: faster installs, flexibility, and no big surprises. Hey, it got 3 fingers up. Sounds like 3 easy steps to me. You remember my other video on 3 easy steps to, upgrade to Windows 11. Well, the faster installs is 25H2 is delivered through an enablement package. It's way smaller and it's way quicker, which is what we're all looking for installs. Now, as far as flexibility, you grab the ISO, you make a bootable USB, and you start fresh if you want. No big surprises? If you're expecting crazy new features, well, sorry. This release is about refinement, not reinvention. So when can we expect this brand new, not so brand new toy? Right now. It's in the release preview channel on Windows Insiders. That's Microsoft's final test phase. For the rest of us, the rollout should hit around late September, but it's out now. Not late September, it's out now, or sometime in October. So, not far off. So yeah, Rufus basically just confirmed what we already suspected. Windows 11 25H2 is ready for prime time. It's not a game changer, but it is the next, checkpoint for Windows 11. Now, if you're on 24H2, you would notice you won't. I shouldn't say you won't, but you will, but you won't. 6 of one, half dozen of the other. you won't notice much change. But if you're waiting to do a clean install, the tools are already lining up to make that happen. What do you think? Well, are you upgrading right away or just riding it out for 24H2 for a while? Well, drop it in the comments. Let me hear from you. Subscribe to the channel, click like, and I'll see you in the next video.